My friends tell me, boy, I'm afraid for you. They say I should be scared of you. My friends don't know what you do to get me through.